Previously on Old School Cosplayer.
Hand on the wheel, got my pistons pumping, all 800 horses running. Oh baby, 125 in the middle of the night.
Like I said in the previous video, just put the knife sharpener and trace it on.
Machine, racing queen, I'll take you wherever you wanna go. Let's slow this down.
After that, just cut out the shape.
Tonight, we all know. Dream machine, racing queen, you make my heart beat, you make my heart beat. Dream machine,
Always do test fitting before gluing all parts together. Now is the time to add more details to it. Cut out the edges in 45-degree angle.
born to ride, Mustang 65, got that V8 engine with a fuel injection. Drop the clutch, pedal to the floor, turn that caper into a lion's roar. Dream machine, racing queen.
I've also cut out the center part of the design in 45-degree angle. Do this on both sides of the design. Remove the extra foam from handle grip. Sand the edges once you're done carving. Now, if you don't want to add LEDs to it, then your prop is pretty much complete and you can stop watching the video even further. But if you want to add LEDs to it, then watch the video very carefully. So if you want to add LEDs to it, then here are the list of items you will need. A 3-volt button cell, probably take a rechargeable so you don't have to frequently change them. Some orange LEDs, and acrylic sheet, preferably a transparent one. After that, trace the pattern on acrylic sheet and cut it out. Once you're done cutting out, just sand it down so the LEDs will diffuse more. After that, I made the slots on both sides of the knife so that LEDs can fit right in. As you can see, I have already added LEDs to it. This looks awesome! Should I leave it like this? No, that would be crazy. Yeah, okay. So, cut out the foam for proper fitting. After that, I cut out some wire and solder them so that they can act as a switch.
Diamonds in the sky, shades of pearl and green. Fire burning.
Here, I made a deep groove on the removable sharpener. Now, when you put it back into the knife, then the LED should be on. Yeah, just like that. Awesome. Now, we have to add more thickness to the butt of the sharpener for the battery and a on-off switch. Before you do anything, remove the soldering machine. That is dangerously hot and could burn you by accident. So here, I cut out the butt of the sharpener and trace it on a 5mm foam board. Do it 4 times, 2 pieces on both sides. So here is a almost done prop. Like you see here, I made a individual slots for both batteries and on-off switch, and after that glue the sharpener together. For the sheath here, I measured the thickness of the knife and cut out the foam accordingly, and after that glue them together. For the details on the sheath, I used a 2mm craft foam and marked it with a marker. You know, I just got lazy and just wanted to finish it quickly. So yeah, after that I paint it with shiny black paint. After that, just follow the reference pics for further coloring. Again, for the project template file and reference pic, you can check out my Patreon. The link is given in the description below.
Hand on the wheel, got my pistons pumping, all 800 horses running. Oh, baby. 125 in the middle of the night, got my engine thundering. Dream machine, racing queen, I'll take you wherever you wanna go. Let's blow this town, break the speed of sound. Tonight we all know.
And it's done. A cool knife complete with the LED lights for special effects.
You make my heart beat, you make my heart beat. Dream machine, racing queen, you make my heart beat, you make my heart beat.
It looked even better in the dark.
Flashing behind me.
It's a fun project and a great prop for display. Hope you guys like it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Born to ride, Mustang 65, got that V8 engine with a fuel injection.